Hello my dear friends, welcome in my channel GS Knowledge Industry. Today we will discuss most 23 MCQ of books and author's name. So my dear friends, let's start without delay. The first question is, who is the author of Bride for the Sahib and Other Stories? Option A Rabindranath Tagore, Option B Mulk Raj Anand, Option C Khushwant Singh, Option D Kapil Dev. Here the right answer is option C. Option C is the right answer. Khushwant Singh, who is the author of Bride for the Sahib and Other Stories. The author is Khushwant Singh. 2 number question, who is the author of Chitra? Who is the author of Chitra? Option A Rabindranath Tagore, Option B Mulk Raj Anand, Option C Mahatma Gandhi, Option D Kapil Dev. Here the right answer is option A. Option A is the correct answer. Who is the author of Chitra? The author of Chitra is Rabindranath Tagore. 3 number question, who is the author of God's Decree? Who is the author of God's Decree? Option A Amrita Pritam, Option B Manu, Option C Kapil Dev, Option D Mahatma Gandhi. Here the right answer is option C Kapil Dev. Who is the author of God's Decree? The author of God's Decree is Kapil Dev. And 4 number question, who is the author of Coolie? Who is the author of Coolie? Option A Mulk Raj Anand, Option B Rabindranath Tagore, Option C Sharat Chandra Chatterjee, Option D Indira Gandhi. Here the right answer is option A. Option A is the right answer, Mulk Raj Anand. Who is the author of Coolie? The author of Coolie is Mulk Raj Anand. And 5 number question, who is the author of Chandalika? Who is the author of Chandalika? Option A Rabindranath Tagore, Option B Mulk Raj Anand, Option C Narendra Modi, Option D Sharat Chandra Chatterjee. Here the right answer is option A. Option A is the right answer. Who is the author of Chandalika? The author of Chandalika is Rabindranath Tagore. 6 number question, who is the author of Conquest of Self? Who is the author of Conquest of Self? Option A Kalidas, Option B Gautam Buddha, Option C Arun Shuri, Option D Mahatma Gandhi. Here the right answer is option D, right? Option D is the correct answer, Mahatma Gandhi. Who is the author of Conquest of Self? The right answer is Mahatma Gandhi. 7 number question, who is the author of Court Dancer? Who is the author of Court Dancer? Option A Sharat Chandra Chatterjee, Option B Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Option C Rabindranath Tagore, Option D Mulk Raj Anand. Here the right answer is option C, right? Option C is the right answer, Rabindranath Tagore. Who is the author of Court Dancer? Rabindranath Tagore. 8 number question, who is the author of Devdas? Who is the author of Devdas? Option A Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Option B Sharat Chandra Chatterjee, Option C Indira Gandhi, Option D Jawaharlal Nehru. Here the correct answer is option B, right? Sharat Chandra Chatterjee. Who is the author of Devdas? The author of Devdas is Sharat Chandra Chatterjee. 9 number question, who is the author of Crescent Moon? Who is the author of Crescent Moon? Option A Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Option B M.K. Gandhi, Option C Rabindranath Tagore, Option D Jawaharlal Nehru. Here the right answer is option C, Rabindranath Tagore. Who is the author of Crescent Moon. The Crescent Moon is written by Rabindranath Tagore. 10 number question. Who is the author of Convenient Action, Gujarat's Response to Climate Change? Who is the author of Convenient Action, Gujarat's Response to Climate Change? Option A, Indira Gandhi. Option B, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option C, Narendra Modi. Option D, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Here the right answer is option A, Indira Gandhi. Who is the author of Convenient Action, Gujarat's Response to Climate Change? The writer is Indira Gandhi. 11 number question. Who is the author of Discovery of India? Option A, Indira Gandhi. Option B, Mahatma Gandhi. Option C, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option D, APJ Abdul Kalam. Here the right answer is option C, Jawaharlal Nehru. Who is the author of Discovery of India? The right answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. And 12 number question. Who is the author of Durgesh Nandini? Who is the author of Durgesh Nandini? Option A, Salim Ali. Option B, Amrita Pritam. Option C, Indira Gandhi. Option D, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Here the correct answer is option D, right? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Who is the author of Durgesh Nandini? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. 13 number question. Who is the author of Internal India? Who is the author of Internal India? Option A, Amrita Pritam. Option B, Indira Gandhi. Option C, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option D, Shashi Thakur. Here the right answer is option B, Indira Gandhi. Who is the author of Internal India? The writer of Internal India is Indira Gandhi. 14 number question. Who is the author of 49 Days? Who is the author of 49 Days? The here right answer is option A, Amrita Pritam. Who is the author of 49 Days? Amrita Pritam. And 15 number question. Who is the author of Dharma Shastra? Who is the author of Dharma Shastra? Option A, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option B, Kalidas. Option C, Gautam Buddha. Option D, Manu. Here the right answer is option D, Manu. Who is the author of Dharma Shastra? The author of Dharma Shastra is Manu. 16 number question. Who is the father of Falls of Sparrow? Who is the author of Falls of Sparrow? Right? Option A, Salim Ali. Option B, Amrita Pritam. Option C, M.K. Gandhi. Option D, Kiran Bedi. Here the right answer is option A, Salim Ali. Who is the author of Falls of a Sparrow? Salim Ali. 17 number question. Who is the author of Gita Rahasya? Who is the author of Gita Rahasya? Option A, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Option B, Rabindranath Tagore. Option C, Kautilya. Option D, Kalidas. Here the right answer is option A, right? Option A is the right answer, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who is the author of Gita Rahasya? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. 18 number question. Who is the author of Gora? Who is the author of Gora? Option A, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Option B, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Option C, Rabindranath Tagore. Option D, Jawaharlal Nehru. Here the right answer is option C, right? Rabindranath Tagore. Who is the author of Gora? Rabindranath Tagore. 19 number question. Who is the author of Gitanjali? Option A, Rabindranath Tagore. Option B, Nirod C. Chaudhary. Option C, Jaishankar Prasad. Option D, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Here the right answer is option A, Rabindranath Tagore. Who is the author of Gitanjali? Rabindranath Tagore. 20 number question. Who is the author of Hind Swaraj? Who is the author of Hind Swaraj? Option A M K Gandhi, option B Kiran Bedi, option C Bal Gangadhar Tilak, option D Shashi Thakur. Here the right answer is option A M K Gandhi. Who is the author of Hindi Swaraj? The right answer is M K Gandhi. 21 number question. Who is the author of Glimpse of World History? Who is the author of Glimpse of World History? Option A M K Gandhi, option B Salman Rushdie, option C V.S. Naipaul, option D Jawaharlal Nehru. Here the right answer is option D Jawaharlal Nehru. Who is the author of Glimpse of World History? The right answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. 22 number question. Who is the author of India from Midnight to the Millennium? Who is the author of India from Midnight to the Millennium? Option A Rabindranath Tagore, option B M K Gandhi, option C Shashi Thakur, option D APJ Abdul Kalam. Here the right answer is option C Shashi Thakur, right? Who is the author of India from Midnight to the Millennium? The writer is Shashi Thakur. And my dear friends, this is last question of this video. The question is, who is the author of India 2022? Who is the author of India 2020, a vision for the new millennium? Who is the author? Option A Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, option B Dr. Y.S. Rajan, option C Munshi Premchand, option D both A and B. Here the right answer is option D both A and B, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and Dr. Y.S. Rajan. Who is the author of India 2020, a vision for the new millennium? The right answer is A and B both.